Hey!
Hey, what are you wearing? It's 90 degrees outside.
I don't care that it's hot. I'm ready to go skiing on the new indoor ski slope.
No, you're a few years too early. It's not open yet.
Oh, come on. We've been talking about it forever. It's been on TV and even all over the internet.
Not yet. We're still in the process of collecting community feedback and trying to fully understand the proposal.
So what do we have to do to make a decision?
You know what? There's a community meeting coming up on September 25th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. down at the Workhouse Arts Center. When you join us on Saturday, you'll be able to learn more about the project and share your concerns or excitement. Fairfax County and Alpine X will be there to answer questions and collect thoughts on the project. Learn more about it at fairfaxcounty.gov/fairfaxpeak.